Okay, we're on page 175 in our Go Math books, and we're dealing with ratios, and we're trying to find the missing piece, except this time we're doing a little something called cross multiply and divide to find our answer. What that means is we're going to take and we're going to multiply the numbers that are diagonally across from one another. So we're going to do 45 times 8, and then we're going to take that answer and we're going to divide it by 40. And when you cross multiply and divide, what you're doing is you're finding the missing piece of the ratio. Okay, and again, calculators, you can use calculators on this. So if we do 45 times 8, 45 times 8 equals 360. We then need to take 360 and divide by 40. 360 divided by 40 is 9. Now we just want to double check and make sure it makes sense. 40 over 8 is equal to 45 over 9. So yes, that does make sense. Same thing over here. We want to cross multiply the 42 and the 5. So we're going to write this down, 42 times 5, and then we're going to simply divide by the number that's left. And the number that's left would be 14. If we do 42 times 5, we get 210. 210 then needs to be divided by 14. 210 divided by 14 is 15. So our answer would be 15. 42 over 14 is the same as 15 over 5. And yes, that does make sense. Okay, last one. This would be 2 times 56. 2 times 56 and simply divided by 8. 2 times 56 is 112. 112 divided by 8. 112 divided by 8 is 14. So 14 over 2 is the same as 56 over 8. Now, for cross multiply and divide, there are a couple other ways that we can find our answers, and some of you might figure that out. But for cross multiply divide, anytime you are given 3 out of the 4, if you're given 3 out of the 4 numbers that you need, you can cross multiply and divide and find the missing piece. Once again, page 175, dealing with finding the missing piece when you cross multiply and divide.